In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Microsoft Forms survey in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're collecting feedback from a seminar, polling opinions on a team decision, or simply gathering quick insights, sending a survey through Microsoft Teams is a straightforward and efficient way to get the information you need. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Teams and proceed to open the application. If you haven't already logged in, enter your credentials and you'll be taken directly to your Teams interface. Once you're in, navigate to the specific team and channel where you desire to add your survey. This is crucial because your survey will only be available to the members of the team and channel you've selected. Take a moment to ensure you're in the right place, as this will save you time later on. Now, direct your attention to the top of the channel. You'll see a plus icon, which is used for adding new tabs. Click on this icon to proceed to the next step. A window will appear, presenting various options for apps and tools you can integrate within Teams. In the search bar of that window, type Forms and select it from the list of results that appear. After selecting Forms, you'll encounter a few choices on how you'd like to proceed. For this task, choose to create a shared form that your team can edit and see results. This option ensures that any member of your team can work collaboratively on the form, and everyone has access to view the outcomes, fostering transparency and teamwork. Once you've selected this option, it's time to give your form a name. Choose something descriptive that clearly communicates the purpose of the survey to your team. Naming your forms effectively can dramatically increase the response rate, as participants will immediately understand the survey's relevance and importance. Next, you can start building your survey. Add questions that are clear and relevant to your objective, keeping in mind your audience and the information you are aiming to collect. Microsoft Forms offers various types of questions, including multiple choice, text entries, rating scales, and more, allowing you to customize the form to suit your particular needs. After you're satisfied with your survey, look for the Save option. By selecting Save, you're effectively adding this survey as a new tab within your channel. At this point, you also have the option to automatically post a message to the channel announcing the addition of the new survey tab. This is a handy way to ensure everyone is promptly informed and can participate at their earliest convenience. And there you have it, a complete survey integrated within your Microsoft Teams channel, ready to be filled out by your team members. Hopefully, this straightforward process helps streamline your data collection tasks and enhances team productivity. Thank you for joining me, and happy surveying.